Hello and welcome to this video on how to maximize your income while minimizing risk. If you're someone who wants to make money but doesn't want to take on too much risk, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll go over some of the best strategies for maximizing your income while minimizing risk. 1. Diversification. Diversification is a strategy that is often used by investors to minimize the risk associated with investing. For example, let's say that you have $10,000 to invest. If you put all of that money into a single stock, you are taking on a lot of risks. If that stock performs poorly, you could lose a significant portion of your investment. However, if you spread your money across a variety of stocks, bonds, and other assets, the impact of any one investment performing poorly will be minimized. For example, you might put 50% of your money into stocks, 30% into bonds, and 20% into real estate. This diversification can help to minimize the risk associated with investing in any one asset class. 2. Invest in low-risk assets. Investing in low-risk assets, such as government bonds and high-quality corporate bonds, is another strategy for minimizing risk. While these assets may not offer the same potential for high returns as stocks or other high-risk investments, they are generally considered to be more stable and less risky. For example, let's say that you have $50,000 to invest. You might put $20,000 into a low-cost bond index fund, which will give you exposure to a broad range of high-quality bonds. This investment is likely to be less risky than investing in individual stocks, and it can provide a steady stream of income through interest payments. 3. Invest in index funds. Investing in index funds is another popular strategy for minimizing risk. An index fund is a type of mutual fund or exchange-traded fund (ETF) that tracks a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. By investing in an index fund, you can gain exposure to a broad range of assets while minimizing the risk associated with individual stocks. For example, let's say that you have $100,000 to invest. You might put $50,000 into a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. This investment will give you exposure to the 500 largest companies in the US stock market, and it will be less risky than investing in individual stocks. 4. Use dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is a strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money into an investment on a regular basis, regardless of the current price of the investment. This can help to minimize the impact of market volatility on your portfolio. For example, let's say that you have $10,000 to invest in a stock. Instead of investing all of the money at once, you might invest $1,000 per month for 10 months. This strategy can help to minimize the impact of short-term market fluctuations on your investment. 5. Avoid overtrading. Overtrading is a common mistake that many investors make. This involves buying and selling investments frequently in an attempt to time the market and maximize returns. However, overtrading can be risky, as it can lead to higher transaction costs, tax implications, and the potential for making poor investment decisions. For example, let's say that you have $20,000 to invest in the stock market. Instead of constantly buying and selling stocks in an attempt to time the market, you might invest the money in a low-cost index fund and hold it for the long term. This strategy can help to minimize the risk associated with overtrading and can provide a steady stream of returns over time. In conclusion, maximizing your income while minimizing risk is all about finding the right balance between risk and reward. By diversifying your investments, investing in low-risk assets, using dollar cost averaging, and avoiding overtrading, you can help to minimize the risk associated with investing, while still maximizing your potential for returns. Remember, investing is a long-term game, and it's important to have a solid strategy in place to help you achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and be sure to let us know in the comments which website you'll be trying out first. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one. Happy earning!